Nebraska, baseball fans built the school's football stadium. But last night, they were watching an entirely different sport.
Has it set in for you guys what's happened?
I don't think so, no.
Welcome to Volleyball Day in Nebraska, an outdoor clean sweep for the Cornhusker women's team, followed by a worldwide first. Memorial Stadium's official attendance, 92,003.
I think I did the wrong
says that's a new
pattern.
world record for attendance at a women's sporting event,
I'll
topping
figure it
last
out
year's
in a
soccer
minute.
crowd in Barcelona.
Yeah.
Nebraska's junior libero, Lexi Rodriguez, couldn't stop smiling.
I think it's putting volleyball and women's sports
Try this
on a
again.
bigger maps.
Four-time national champion Coach John Cook says originally they just wanted to reclaim an attendance record from another school.
So this started with you trying to just hit around 20,000 people, is what you're telling me.
I would have been ecstatic with 20,000 people in the stadium.
But the Cornhuskers spiked 20,000 and then some.
That wouldn't happen anywhere else in the world, really. Like, volleyball is Nebraska's the epicenter for volleyball and for the sport.
I kept reminding everyone to just enjoy the moment and to soak it all in.
A one-of-a-kind spectacle making history and setting the bar high. Jesse Kirsch, NBC
Try
News.
this again.
And that's nightly news for this Thursday. Thank you for watching, everyone. I'm Lester Holt. Please take care of yourself and each other. Good night.
I think y'all got some television now.
Yeah, Hogan's Heroes. Hogan's Heroes on DVD.
I hear people are...
It was Mission Impossible, but we're done with that on DVD.
Tire Express, home to Virginia's largest selection of in-stock.
I know what I'm doing, but
We guarantee you the best price on everything.
I'll sit there and do it
And right now,
perfectly.
you can get an extra $300 off any in-stock custom wheel and tire
There.
every brand and style. Or get a free leveling kit when you purchase a new set of tires. A $499 value. Drive
Oh,
by and save big during the
I know
Labor Day sale
my
at
road.
R&R Tire Express.
I've heard it's easy to do. I just go around in circles.
You ready?
Yeah, I just gotta get this right if it doesn't mess up. Oh, come on, I had it right to begin with.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Like Chris Angel, are you ready?